Question number 2, rationalize the denominator. Our first question is 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. This is the question. So write down the question. Now the conjugate of root 7 plus root 2. The conjugate of root 7 plus root 2 is root 7 minus root 2. What is the conjugate? Instead of plus, we write down minus. If here minus is there, we write down plus. It means conjugate is, we just change plus into minus and minus into plus. Okay. 1 upon root 7 plus root 2 is equal to root 7 minus root 2 upon root 7 minus root 2. रूट 7 माइनस रूट 2 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, रूट 7 माइनस रूट 2. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई रूट 7 प्लस रूट 2 इंटू रूट 7 माइनस रूट 2. रूट 7 स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस माइनस रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2 स्क्वायर. रूट 7 माइनस रूट 2 एज इट इज. रूट 7 स्क्वायर इज 7. रूट 2 स्क्वायर इज 2. Root 7 minus root 2 as it is 7 minus 2 is 5. The answer is root 7 minus root 2 is 5. Okay. Second question. 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 upon root 2. First we write the conjugate of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. The conjugate of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 is 2 root 2 5 plus 3 root 2. Instead of minus we write plus. Okay, now we have the conjugate value. Conjugate value is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Now we multiply by both numerator and denominator by conjugate value. So 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. 2 root 5 upon 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. So now we multiply both. 3 multiply by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 and 2 root 5 multiplied by 2 root 5 is 2 root 5 square minus 3 root 2 into 3 root 2 is 3 root 2 square. Okay. Now 3 multiply by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 as it is. Square of 2 is 4 and root 5 square is 5. Square of 3 is square of 3 is 9. And root 2 square is 2. 3 bracket 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 as it is. 4 5s are 20 and 9 2s are 18. 3 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 20 minus 18 is 12. 20 minus 18 is 2. So 3 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 2. It is our answer. Now third question. 4 plus 7 plus 4 root 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. The conjugate of 7 plus 4 root 3 is 7 minus 4 root 3. We have value 7 plus 4 root 3. Conjugate of 7 plus 4 root 3 is 7 minus 4 root 3. So now we multiply by conjugate value. 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 7 minus 4 root 3. Multiply 4 by this whole term. 4 into 7 minus 4 root 3. Upon 7 into 7, 7 square. Plus 4 root 3 into minus 4 root 3. Plus minus become minus. 4 root 3 into 4 root 3, 4 root 3, the whole square. Now multiply. 4 7s are 28. 4 4s are 16. Root 3 as it is. The square of 7 is 49. Minus 4. The square of 4 is 16 and the square of root 3 is 3. Okay. The simple multiplication, nothing is there. 28 upon 16 root 3. 49 as it is. 16 3s are 48. 49 minus 48, 1. The value of denominator is 1. So answer is 28 minus 16 root 3. Now the only last question is remain. All of you, this is for you. Try this question and send the images.